12 Anti-Aging Exercises. Imagine being able to slow down your body's biological clock, gaining more strength, energy, and vitality without needing surgeries, medications, or expensive treatments. In today's video, we'll explore 12 essential exercises to combat aging, improve your health, strengthen your body, improve your posture, balance, and even brain function. We're not just talking about appearance, but functionality, health, and quality of life. Aging is inevitable, but how you age depends on the choices you make every day. Science has proven that exercising not only improves your quality of life, but also reduces the signs of aging in both the body and mind. Specific movements can preserve strength, mobility, cardiovascular endurance, and even cognitive function, keeping your body young and active for much longer. Are you ready to transform your body and your life? So stay until the end, because exercise number 12 is a real challenge, capable of boosting your longevity in surprising ways. And there's more. Don't forget to check the description of this video below, because I left some special recommendations and links that will definitely help you on your journey against aging. Let's go. Number 1. Deadlift, the foundation of strength and posture. The deadlift is one of the most complete exercises out there. It strengthens the posterior chain, the back of your body, including the glutes, lower back, and hamstrings. But it also engages the core, shoulders, and arms. A study published in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity showed that strength training, like the deadlift, is directly associated with reducing age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. Additionally, it improves bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, and corrects postural imbalances, preventing back pain. To perform it correctly, position your feet hip-width apart, with the toes slightly outward. Squat down, gripping the barbell with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your back straight, chest open, and your gaze forward. Stand up, pushing off the floor with your feet and extending your hips. Remember, the movement should be fluid, without rounding your back. The deadlift is an exercise that requires constant attention to avoid injuries, but the benefits for longevity are immense. If you are a beginner, start with light weights. Prioritize technique and perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions with 1 minute rest between sets. Number 2. Push-ups, the foundation for a strong chest and a stable core. Push-ups are much more than just an arm exercise. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, improving muscular endurance and coordination. They are essential for preventing sarcopenia. Harvard Medical School published an article highlighting that exercises like push-ups help maintain functional strength, essential for physical independence in old age. Additionally, a study in the Journal of Gerontology, the science that studies the biological, psychological, and social aspects of human aging, showed that muscle strength is directly linked to longevity and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. To perform a correct push-up, place your hands on the floor, aligned with your shoulders, and keep your body in a straight line from head to toes. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up, pressing the floor with force. If you're a beginner, you can do push-ups with your knees on the ground, but always maintain body alignment. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps are ideal for improving strength and endurance. Push-ups are a versatile exercise that can be done anywhere, making them a great option for maintaining strength over the years. Number 3. Pull-ups, a challenging yet rewarding exercise. Pull-ups are a challenging exercise, but they are extremely effective in strengthening the upper body, especially the back, biceps, and shoulders. Additionally, they improve joint mobility and coordination. A study in the Journal of Aging Research showed that grip strength, which is trained in pull-ups, is directly linked to longevity and a reduced risk of functional disability in older adults. To perform them correctly, grab the pull-up bar with your hands a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, palms facing forward. Hang, then pull your body up until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself, controlling the movement. Beginners can start with resistance bands or an assisted pull-up machine, both of which decrease the amount of weight that needs to be lifted, making the exercise more accessible. Perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Number 4. Crunches, the core pillar for support and stability. Crunches are excellent for strengthening the rectus abdominis, but it's important to execute them correctly to avoid excessive strain on the spine. A study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that a strong core is directly linked to fall prevention and improved functionality in the elderly. And how to perform them correctly? Lie down with your knees bent, hands behind your head and core contracted. Raise your torso without lifting your lower back off the floor and lower yourself down, controlling the movement. Breathe correctly. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions to strengthen your core and prevent injuries. Number 5. Jump rope, the benefits of cardio and coordination. Jumping rope is a highly effective exercise for health and longevity. It speeds up metabolism, strengthens the heart, and improves bone density, preventing osteoporosis. It improves coordination, balance, and posture, reducing falls. It strengthens the body and legs, increases resistance, and relieves stress, promoting mental well-being. To perform, start with the rope behind your heels. Rotate it with your wrists, jumping low with your feet together, keeping a steady rhythm. Do 3 sets of 1 to 2 minutes to improve cardiovascular health and burn calories. Number 6. Squats, the key to strong legs and glutes. Squats are essential for strengthening the legs, glutes, and core, as well as improving hip mobility. Research in the Journal of Gerontology shows that squats improve functionality and independence in older adults, reducing the risk of falls and physical disability. To perform a proper bodyweight squat, position your feet shoulder-width apart, with toes slightly turned outward. Lower yourself as if sitting in a chair, keeping your chest open and knees aligned with your feet. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor, then push up through your heels. If you have difficulties to perform it, you can do partial squats. And if you are more advanced, you can vary the squat styles, such as jump squats and weighted squats. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions to strengthen your legs and maintain mobility and independence. Before moving on to the next exercises, if you find value in this video and enjoy receiving content about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life, take a second now to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. We work hard to bring information that can truly make a difference in your daily life, and your subscription helps us continue this work. Thank you for your support. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. Number 7. Triceps dips, the secret to muscle definition and endurance. Triceps dips are excellent for strengthening your triceps, chest, and shoulders. A study in the Journal of Aging Research showed that upper body strength training, such as dips, is associated with improved functionality and reduced risk of sarcopenia in older adults. We'll show you how to perform triceps dips on parallel bars correctly. Hold the bars, keep your arms extended, and lean your body slightly forward. Bend your elbows until they form a 90-degree angle, and then extend your arms. For beginners, support your feet on the floor or use counterweight equipment. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions to strengthen your upper body. Number 8. Close grip row, building a strong back and straight posture. The close grip row is an exercise that strengthens the back, biceps, and shoulders, as well as improving posture. A study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity showed that strengthening back muscles is directly related to improving posture and reducing chronic pain in the elderly. Use a rowing machine or pulley equipment. Sit with a straight spine, grab the handle, and pull the cable toward your abdomen, keeping your elbows close to your body. Return to the starting position in a controlled manner. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Number 9. Plank, the core strengthening exercise. The plank is an isometric exercise that strengthens the core, shoulders, and glutes. A study in the Journal of Aging Research showed that core stability is directly linked to fall prevention and improved functionality in the elderly. To perform the plank, rest your elbows on the floor, keep your body aligned and your core contracted. Hold for 60 seconds, repeating 3 times. Strengthens the core, improves balance, and prevents back pain. essential for longevity. Number 10. Jumping jacks. A simple exercise with huge cardiovascular impact. Jumping jacks improve circulation, strengthen joints, tendons, and ligaments, increase lung capacity and energy, activate the lymphatic system, and strengthen immunity. They also stimulate cognition, improving focus, memory, and coordination. A simple yet efficient exercise for healthy aging. To perform jumping jacks, start with your feet shoulder-width apart and arms at your sides. Jump, spreading your feet apart while raising your arms above your head in a synchronized motion. On the next jump, bring your feet back together and lower your arms. Keep your core engaged, knees slightly bent, and land softly. Do 3 sets of 2 minutes and increase the duration as you progress. Number 11. Lunges. Mobility and strength in one movement. Lunges are an effective exercise for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core, while improving your balance and coordination. They correct muscle imbalances, promote greater hip flexibility, and increase muscular endurance, preparing you for explosive movements and everyday activities. To perform them correctly, take a step forward, lower yourself until your knees are at a 90-degree angle, and keep your back straight. Push back up with your heel. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions per leg for strengthening them and improving balance, ensuring long-term functionality. Number 12. Burpees, complete for endurance and longevity. Burpees are an intense exercise that works the entire body. They combine strength, cardio, and coordination, making them excellent for improving endurance and aerobic capacity. A study in the Journal of Aging Research found that high-intensity exercises, such as burpees, are associated with improved metabolic health and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. To perform the burpee correctly, start standing, squat down, place your hands on the floor, and kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, bring your feet back in, and jump explosively. 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions are recommended for improving endurance, strength, and coordination. Did you like this selection of exercises? Remember that the secret is consistency to reap the benefits in the long run. Choose the exercises that best fit your routine and progress gradually. Aging is inevitable, but how we age is in our hands. If you also want to take another step in caring for your well-being and longevity, I am sharing some tips and products that are part of my routine, along with others that I recommend. In the video description, you will find suggestions that can complement your daily care and even enhance your workouts. Take a look, and if you like them, just click the links to learn more. I hope these tips inspire you on your journey. Now, tell us in the comments, which of these exercises do you already practice? And which one will be the next to enter your routine? Share your experience. It will be interesting to know, and it may inspire others on their fitness journeys. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I will reply soon. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this content and want to always receive our new videos on health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. And show your support by liking and sharing this video with someone who also wants to increase longevity with quality. We also recommend watching our other videos. The links are on the screen. See you in the next video, stay healthy, and thank you.